Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking restaurant Facebook story. So if you own a restaurant, or you want to make a Facebook story for your restaurant or your client, this video is for you. First, go to the search bar in Canva and search for Restaurant Facebook Story, and Canva will suggest the best templates available for your needs. Click on the See All option to explore and find any template you like. Maybe I'll choose this one. This one looks good. Canva will recommend even more options, but I'll go with this one. You can browse through the templates and customize whichever one you prefer. Now, you can see I can easily edit or modify anything I want. Let's start with the text. So click on Text if you want to change or customize it. And these are the options available to customize your text. If you want to change the color, make it bold, or anything else, just try it out. That covers the text customization options. If you want to replace the template image with your own, just go to Uploads and upload images from your PC. Right now, here is one element. I will just drag it to the back. For example, this is the image that I want to use to replace the template image. Just drag and drop like this, and your template image will be replaced with your own. Now I'll adjust the colors, maybe like this. I will just add colors, and maybe I'll like this. You can adjust colors, fonts, text, everything. Transparency, like this. Yep, like this. I will just add whatever I like. You can modify anything you want. If you want to add images, your own logo, your details, your information, everything. And once you're done with your design, to export it, rename your file here. Click Share, then Download, and download it in any format available. Just download, and within a few minutes, your restaurant Facebook story will be ready to upload. Thank you for watching.